Weider Prime Testosterone Support is marketed as a men's health supplement that supposedly boosts testosterone and helps men feel younger and more active. But the real question is, does it actually support men's vitality, or is it another testosterone booster with bigger promises and results? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in testosterone support supplements have been studied for their role in men's health. Nutrients like zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and certain herbal extracts may help support normal hormonal function in some individuals. What it does well may provide nutritional support. If the formula contains key vitamins and minerals, it can help address deficiencies that affect overall well-being, could support energy levels indirectly. Some users report feeling more energetic when improving their nutrition and lifestyle habits. When a hype falls apart, it is unlikely to dramatically increase testosterone. This is the biggest issue. Most over-the-counter testosterone boosters produce modest effects at best. It will not work like testosterone replacement therapy. Marketing often blurs the line between supplements and medically supervised hormone treatments. Research on individual ingredients does not prove the product works as advertised. Even if some ingredients show promise, the overall formula may not deliver dramatic results. So, does Weider Prime Testosterone Support actually support men's vitality? Short answer: it may provide modest wellness support for some users, but it is unlikely to deliver the dramatic testosterone and vitality improvements suggested in marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.